Hello guys, how are you? I'm fine, thanks to God. Now today I show you how to design or develop a simple calculator accepting two integers from your keyboard and write or calculate their addition result, subtraction result, multiplication result, division result, and remainder of two operands using a Java programming language and Eclipse IDE for Java source code writing, or as a source code text editor we use or I use Eclipse IDE. We can use NetBeans, but Eclipse is my favorite in this case, or in this program. So first we should create a new Java package here. Package create simple calculator, simple calculator. This is my package. Under this package we open or we create a new Java class files, as you see here, class files with it is a name simple calculator. Normally it follows the conventions or rules of identifiers for creating a class name, package name, module name, and the like, or including methods, variables. And then this is the built-in or the created class names and package. This is a package name and this is a class name. Under the class we create a main method, public static void main void main string args string args. It is a common Arab character variable. Open new brace. Under this brace we call the functions or accepting variables from the keyboard. Just to accept variables from keyboard we use a scanner class from Java util scanners package. So scan is equals to new scanner system.in semicolon. In order to use this scanner class, it is mandatory to import the Java util package scanner class from Java util package java.utils. You can asterisk or to use more classes from the util package, or simply scanner class is enough in our case, or in this case. Then here declare a variable and z comma x and then here z is equals to scan dot next int. This is the variable and before that next and semicolon. Before that, please, it is necessary to display some messages here. System dot out dot print line here. Please enter the first operand for our automatic operations operand. Then semicolon here, semicolon out of the parenthesis. Then z is equal to scan dot next int here. Another display message system dot out dot print line. Please enter the second operand then what the second variable x is equals to scan dot next int scan dot next int semicolon out of the parenthesis. Next, what's the problem? T is missed here. Yeah, good. Then here call the functions here, or create out of the main method, create individual methods for each operation. Public static, public static, and addition function or method. It needs two variables, int a comma int b. Enter and open new braces under here, return a plus b, and call this function, copy this and call here. To call here, it is necessary to create the variable to hold the results of this method. So add is equals to, data type int address is equals to what of what, z comma x. This is for the first function. And then additionally for subtraction we create another method here, public static what, and subtraction ማለት ነው, subs under here it needs to operands int s comma b, sorry, here data type, include data type. Then under this open brace and return what, return s times s minus b, and call this function again, here by declaring int sub is equals to that of two operands z and x, semicolon. That is enough. Good. Then additionally another function method create public static double, we can say double for all, we can use int mult for multiplication. It needs to operands mul m comma l, int is necessary here, and open a brace and return the multiplication product of m asterisk l, and then copy this function method name and call again here by declaring int mother is equals to this to operands z comma x. What will be the output we will see. And finally then the fourth method is public static double one, because the result may be in the forms of fractions, so it is necessary to put in the alternative as a double division. It is also to operands z d comma int v, and here open the brace and return d over what, v. Then also write here or call this method here double div is equals to division of what, two variables, also the same that of the previous one, and then the last one for remainder or modulus operator here, public static and remainder or modulus function, and two variables also, m comma int d Then here open the brace and return what m modulus d semicolon. Then call this function again here int mod is equals to what's the function name, modulus. Copy it and paste here to reduce probability of error. Modulus needs also two variables z, x. Then display this function results or method results here. System dot out dot println here the sum of the two operands is equal to, out of the quotation, plus address ad yeah, this is, and semicolon. Then copy this and change only the variable that you want to display, the results variable. Paste this two parentheses. This is subris this is mother this is divris and this is modris. Then when we run or compile this file, we see the results of this operation or source code, what or how it will do or is performed look like this one. This is the source code to write different operators using one class, different methods. Java program. Let us run it and see what will looks like the output. Run as Java application. Okay, please enter the first operand 55. Enter. Please enter the second operand maybe 5. Okay, good. The sum of the operand is 60. The sum. Sorry. We should change this display text or message. The difference of the operands of the two operands, the sum, the product of the two operands. Here the difference or remainder or division result of the two operands. Here the sum, the remainder of the two operands is looks like here. Run it. Right click, run as Java application and see the output, what it looks like. Or please enter the first operand 70. Please enter the second operand 7. So the output is the sum of the two operand is 77. The difference is 63. The product is 490. The result of the two operand, the division result is 10. 77 minus 7. Sorry. 70 minus 70 over 7, 10, and the remainder of the two operand is the modulus